Hello students and welcome to the video lectures for unit number 6. Today we will discuss the various topics from unit number 6 and we will start with the marginal, joint and conditional probability. So before going to the main topic, we will discuss about what is by the probability. So probability is defined as the chance of occurring the event and it is given by the ratio of chance favoring the event divided by the total possible events. So this can be the easily explained with the help of the example that is the tossing the coin. So we have head and tail on the coin, and we can define the two events here. The first event is getting the head, while the event two is what getting the tail. Now, if you want to find out the probability of getting the head, so head will come only once, but there are two possibilities that head and tail will come. So the probability of getting the head is what? It is 1. 1 means what? It is the head will only come and divided by the 2. Okay, so 2 means what? It is the total possible event, that is head and tail. Similarly, the probability of getting the tail is also same, that is 50%, because the tail will come only 1, but the probability, that is the total possible events, will be 2, that is it may comes head, it may comes tail. Okay, now we'll discuss about the marginal probability. So in marginal probability, so it is a simple one, similar to the previous example. So here this is the occurrence of the simple event. Now we will consider some the simple examples where the classification of the bank employees are given. Uh, the male, female, rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3 holders are given, and the total number of the employees are given here. Now, if you want to find out what is the probability of the female employees here, so total number of female employees. So what is the total number of the female employees? So female employees, total number of female employees are 100. Okay, of all the rank one, of all the rank holder, that is R1, R2, and R3. And what is the total number of the female employees? So that is equal to 300. So this is the possibility of the having the only the female employees, so 100, and out of the total possible events means what? That is total number of the employees. Now we can calculate this based on the rank 1 holder also. So if we take the probability of rank 1 holder, so total number of rank 1 holder, this is equal to 50. And what is the total number of the employees? So that is equal to 300. Out of 300 employees, 50 are the rank 1 holders. So it may be male and female. And this is the probability of getting the rank 1 holders. Now the marginal probability, it is only for the single event. Okay, so this is for the single event or simple event, while joint probability is the calculation of the probability for the occurrence of the two or more events simultaneously. Now if we take the same examples, we can calculate the probability of having the male and rank 2 holder. So what are the total number of R2 male employees? So this is 80. Okay, so these are 80 are the are R2, that is rank 2 male employees. And what is the total number of employees? So that is equal to 300. Okay, both that is male and female. So that is, this is for the combination of the two events. Okay, so we have to take here total number of the employees. Now what is the number of female employees which is having the rank R3? So female employees having the rank R3, so this is equal to 40, and out of what? The total number of the employees, so that is equal to 300. Okay, so this is the probability of getting the female employees which is having the R3 rank. So that is what is the joint probability. So the marginal probability, it is concerned with the single event, while the joint probability, it is combined with the occurrence of the two or more events simultaneously. Now the another type of the probability, that is called the conditional probability. Now here what we'll take one condition. So we have to find out the probability that we are finding the employee which is having a rank 1 holder. It may be male, it may be male or female. So we have given both male and female, but we have to find out only the male. So what is that? What is the combination? So rank 1 holder and male, rank 1 holder and male, that is equal to 30, and we want only the male. Okay, so out of 200 only. Okay, so this comes out to be 30. 30 are the rank 1 holder from the male, and what is the total male? So that is only 200. So condition here, it is given that we want only the male employees. Okay, so and this sign here, so this sign here, it denotes what? It means here given. Okay, so we have to find out the probability that we want rank 1 holder given they must be male employees. Okay, So for that we have find out the male employees of rank 1 holders are 30, and what is the total number of the probability that males are there. So total are 200. Okay, so that we have find out, uh, that we have calculated here. Okay, so this is the probability of finding the conditional probability for finding the conditional probability. So we can use this type of the equation. Now let us take the one examples based on the conditional the conditional probability. So 52% of the students at a certain college are girls. Okay, so what this means, now this is the probability. We will define two probabilities. So student is a girl. So let us say A is the student of the girl. So 52% of the student at a certain college are girls. So this is what P of A, probability of the probability having the girl. So that is equal to 0.52. Now 5% of the students in this college are majoring in the computer science. Now we'll take the second event, that is the B. Students is majoring in the computer science. So that is probability of B is what? It is 0.05. Now 2% girls are 2% are the students are girls also, and majoring in computer science also. That is here. This is what this is the uh, uh, we have joint probability. In joint probability we have it is a girl also, that is A, and computer science also, that is majoring in computer. So P of A and B. So that much students are what? 0.02. So see, this is the marginal the probability 52%, that is for the total girl students. 5% are the probability only for majoring in computer science. Why? While 2% are the probability, that is that means the both the combination, that is joint probability of having girls also, and they are majoring in computer science. Okay, so I think you understand these three things. Now we have to find out what if the student is selected at random, find the conditional probability. We have to find out here now conditional probability. So this student is majoring in computer science. Now what is the computer science? Majoring in computer science, it means the event B, and it should be given. Given means it is a slash, given that it is a girl. So we have to find out the probability, that is B by A. Okay, B is the probability of the girls majoring in computer science, and A is the probability that she is a girl. So, okay, so we have to find out B by A. So how to find out this B by A? So B and A divided by P of A. Okay, here. Now this is P and A and B, that is equal to same. These are the same. So this is 0.02 divided by how much P of A? It is 0.52. So it comes out to be 1 by 26. Okay, so this is the formula for finding out the conditional probability. So B by A means that is A and B, or B and A, divided by the this P probability of A. Now second, the condition is the student is a girl. So what is the student probability? That it must be a girl. So this is A, and the student is majoring in the computer science. So probability of A given B. So here the same formula we have to apply, P of A and B, and now we have to take the probability of B, that is the student majoring, the girl is majoring in computer science. So this is again same, 0.02 divided by the probability of B. So 0.05 comes here. So the probability comes out to be 2 by 5. So you can write down the formula based on the conditions, and the formulas are same. Probability of A, B is given. So A and B, or B and A, divided by, we have to take this probability here, P of A here, and in this case here we have to write down the probability of B. So here probability of A and B comes. Okay, so this is the formula for calculation of the conditional probability. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. So these two events we have taken, and then based on the condition we have calculated the values. Okay, so thank you very much.